Frank McMullen, an armchair activist from Ireland. On Facebook, I highlight good news stories on minority issues from around the world. I love to sing. A young Jamaican who we knew as Stephen attended the Gala Choruses Festival 2000 in San Jose, California. Stephen was a guest of Boston Gay Men's Chorus at the festival. He sang with a small group at home in Jamaica, but they didn't perform in public because of homophobia. Returning to Jamaica, Stephen was not able to proclaim publicly how proud he was to represent his country. I was. Management guru Peter Drucker had it to say, whenever anything significant is being accomplished, it's being done by a monomaniac with a mission. Maurice Tomlinson is a monomaniac. His tireless activism in the cause of minority human rights in the Caribbean fills me with awe. I grew up in a country that I sense is similar to the Jamaica of today. Ireland only decriminalised homosexuality in 1993. By 2015, we had equal marriage. It is this that gives me hope that Jamaica too will win the battle for hearts and minds, possibly far sooner than anybody dares to imagine. This Love Up Jamaica campaign, I've no doubt, helps. Love up Ja.